Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter Y. Capital Y, little y. What words begin with Y? Yam, Y-A-M. The word yam begins with the letter Y. This vegetable is often confused with a sweet potato, but it is closer to a potato in texture and color. Yams are a nutritious vegetable. Yak, Y-A-K. These beasts of burden are typically found in cold climates. That is why they are so hairy. Yaks have heavy fur. Yarn, Y-A-R-N. Yarn is made from the fur of animals. It could come from sheep, llamas, or even yaks. But how is yarn made? Spinning wheels make yarn by spinning the fibers into long strands. What sound does the letter Y represent? Yi. Can you say yi? Very good. Y, the 25th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.